Shemai. I'm Oshan Gwent. I come from Llanidloes in mid-Wales. This is my second appearance now at the exhibition of contemporary Welsh art. And I'm having a blast here. I have met so many amazing people.
Hello, my name's Sarah Jane Brown. I'm an artist from Pembrokeshire and I'm here at the London Welsh exhibition for the third year running because it's such a lovely event, and displaying my paintings of the Pembrokeshire coast.
My name is Francine Davis and I'm an artist from Wales.
Helo, Louise dwi, Louise Clough, a dwi'n dod o Bontypridd yn De Cymru. Enw fy busnes yw Cariad Flufflyd, Fluffy Love, a dwi'n peinto defaid yn fwy na dim, ond mae popeth o thema Cymraeg.
So my name is Beth Holloway. I've painted these three women based on asylum photographs.
And my name's Jane and I'm originally from Llanelli in South Wales and I now live in West London. Hen linell bell nad yw'n bod, hen derfyn nad yw'n darfod.
Nes dwi, a dwi'n arddangos penwsos yma lluniau personol a lluniau o'r llyfrau plant Deian Addoli. Lluniau sy'n cydfynd efo'r gyfres ar S4C.
My name is Rob Taylor. I'm part of a collaboration which is called Art Duel, which consists of myself and Alison Richards.
It's been an absolute joy being at the centre. It's been like walking out of my front door into more of a community that just feels like we've known it we've known it before, and it's my first time here. It's just been a really lovely, people have been so friendly, and the conversations, that's one of the key bits of the weekend really. We've spoken to so many people who have reacted, responded and connected with our work, all of us, and it's just been a really wonderful experience, and I'm really excited about the possibilities that will come from it.
Being at the London Welsh Centre has been an amazing experience. It's a warm and friendly atmosphere from start to finish. I met artists that I've never met before, but also Nicola and the crowd have been so welcoming, so gentle, and we've had a fantastic 2 days and hope to do more next year.